some greater kudu, those tan-colored animals. Greater kudu are the largest forest antelope in Africa. You can also tell the difference between males and females, because males are the only ones that have horns on top of their heads. You'll never see one in a group of other rhinos. They really don't like sharing their space. They're extremely territorial. Birds on the island here, the white ones with the gray feathers, they're called pink-backed pelicans. The ones we see out here, there might be a herd of them up ahead, so I'll talk a little bit more about them until we get there. They do have really large ears, so there's a lot of them out on the bank, and there's a few of them in the water. This is one of those areas where a lot of people like to stand up, so please make sure you're making something for me. It's here in Africa. Oh, the baby just came out. The baby was born a few months ago, still pretty young. Maasai giraffes get their name from the Maasai tribe in Africa. However, their diets consist of brine shrimp, which are high in beta-carotene. And then that beta-carotene is an enzyme that gives them that pink color of their feathers. Super small little guys can only grow to be up to about 2 feet tall. A lot of the villagers rely on these goats for nutrients such as milk, and the farmers, they also use them as lawnmowers. You know, as you guys know, it's pretty easy to tell the difference between male and females, just because males are the only ones that have that really big mane around their necks. Something pretty impressive about his mane is when fully grown, it can weigh up to about 40 pounds. And another reason why the females do most of the hunting is just because they're a little bit more strategic when they're chasing after their prey.
Yeah, that's